If you own German cars, you know exactly how expensive dealership service can be. Don't rush to the repair shop just yet. Today, we're unboxing the iCarsoft DE V4.0 to see how it helps you handle full system diagnostics right in your garage. This isn't just a toy that reads codes. It's a dealer-level diagnostic tool built specifically for German cars. Let's open it up and take a look. This tool is custom designed for German vehicles, fully covering premium brands. It supports Mercedes-Benz, Maybach, BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce. It also covers Porsche, Smart, Sprinter, Audi, Bentley, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Seat, Škoda, and VW. From luxury sedans and SUVs to performance cars, most mainstream German vehicles are fully covered. Opening the package, we first find a carrying case. It feels very solid, so you can toss it into your trunk or toolbox without worrying about it getting crushed. Now for the main unit, the DE V4.0. It features a beautiful 5-inch HD capacitive touchscreen. The hand feel and build quality are excellent. You also get an OBD2 diagnostic cable to securely connect to your vehicle, and a durable USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. A comprehensive user manual in 6 languages: English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Dutch. All right, once we turn on it, this is the main interface. First is the Diagnostics menu. Here you'll see the OBD2 option, alongside German vehicle selections including Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Porsche, and Volkswagen. You can select your vehicle make and model to run a deep, full system scan. The service menu packs a total of 48 special functions. This includes the ones we use most, like EPB, BMS, injector coating, and air suspension. Doing maintenance in your own garage means no more getting ripped off at the repair shop. Over in the Update menu, you can upgrade the device with just one click via Wi-Fi to keep your software up to date. In the User Data menu, you can check the digital manual and look up fault codes. Under Settings, you can choose from 15 available languages and customize the system options to fit your preferences. That's everything in the box: clean, simple, and ready to use. See you next time!